Hey guys, John here and
Ryan.
Vapor Hunting Technologies back at it again today with another fantastic, awesome video. Thanks for watching all this amazing content we create every single day just for you guys. Really have an exciting surprise for you all today. I think this is something that a lot of people have been waiting for. We already have people signed up on the program right now. And what we're going to talk about is the affiliate program. For those of you who have never been an affiliate for someone before, specifically let's look at Amazon. Amazon has a massive affiliate program, but we also have an affiliate program as well. And we're here to tell you all about that program. And today, Ryan, can you just tell us briefly, real quickly, a little bit about the affiliate program?
Yeah, the affiliate program is basically a way that you can almost become like a small-time salesperson for our company. Not where you have to make business calls or anything. What you're gonna do is you'll create an affiliate account on our website. That's gonna give you a reference link, and you can put that on the end of any of our products on our Shopify website. And then with that, if anyone purchases a machine or any products through that link, you get commission off of it. So it's an excellent way to create almost passive income once you've set it up. And it's all backed through Vapor Hunting.
Absolutely. So, you know, in the past, so many people have asked for ways to help sell the products or to promote and get paid. So for all of you guys out there that want to promote this process and this product that we build and we deliver for you every single day, you guys can do that right now in the comfort of your home. You don't have to be a professional salesperson, right? You can go out and shoot content every single day, which there are hundreds of thousands of people that are shooting content on this process every day, right? And they can shoot content and promote and get paid, right? So when they click that link, which is, for example, you create a link, Ryan creates a link that's specific to him, and you click on one of his links that he shared throughout YouTube or his blog or his website, and you buy something, well, guess what? He gets paid commission off of that. So that's what you could also do in your spare time. Again, I've had so many people, I can't tell you how many hundreds of thousands of freaking people in the world that have always asked, hey, do you guys do something that we can get paid from? Yeah, if we're gonna promote, can we get paid?
Right.
And we have that available now. Like, we've been testing the program. Again, there are already people plugged in place right now that are promoting products and getting paid. So hopefully you guys will take advantage of this opportunity. I know something we're all super excited to share about. We've been kind of beta testing this program for a while now, but Ryan and Tua and some of the other guys have been playing around with it, really giving the program a run for its money, right? So super pumped. I mean, for example, like, you create content on the side too, don't you, for your other business?
A small bit, and that's actually what I was gonna mention. Like, if you guys wanna just create YouTube videos, put that content out there, just put your links in the description. And of course, when people click on it, it actually tracks it. So you can actually see the percentage of your audience that's clicking on your links through our software, and then determine how many of those you're actually converting. So it'll actually help you figure out which videos sell and how to make more money by being an affiliate of Vapor Hunting. So.
Yeah, I just want to, throw it out there that there are so many people. This is what's really made the world a really unique place to do business in now, but there's so many people making money just off of affiliate programs.
Right.
I mean, how many success stories do you see every single day where people are buying, the house of their dreams, the car of their dreams, the boat, whatever it is, right? Whatever their dream is, they're financing that through these sales type programs.
And all they're doing is creating content.
Creating content.
Of things that you would already do. Let's say like this, you're rebuilding an engine and it's for a passion project where you can make money off of it now just by simply adding a link in your description. So. Absolutely.
Again, hope you guys take advantage of the opportunity. We're going to put a link in this video below that you guys can click and go sign up for the program. It's really simple. I think Ryan said it took about 30 seconds, right?
Really? Yeah, it really did.
To sign up. So really excited to promote this for you guys. Again, I've been keeping this a secret for a very long time. There's only a select few people that know about this, but we're really, really super pumped. If you guys have questions, put those in the comments below. If you need help getting into the program and getting set up, we'd love to help you. If you want to partner with us and create awesome content like this, we'd love to have you guys and have that conversation. Put that comment in the section below in the comments. Put your contact info, we can get a hold of you. Also, contact the sales team. If you don't want to put your information out there for other people to find, contact the sales department. Let them know that you want to speak to the marketing team.
Our number is 828-202-5563.
And also, you can email info, that's INFO, at vaporhoningtechnologies.com. As always, guys,
Please take advantage of this. It's a really good idea.
and thanks for watching.